what's up? How are you all? So today we are in actually a kind of workshop. Today we'll be changing engine oil on a KTM Duke 200. So I'll just tell you how you can drain your old oil and you can add the new oil. So this was actually over here. We removed it. There was a nut underneath here and two over here. So we removed it using the Allen key. This one you will get it with the tools that come on the bike. And apart from that, we'll have to remove this. This is the drain bolt. So to remove this, you will need a 18 millimeter spanner or anything like that. You'll have to fit it like this and remove it. And pouring the oil will be from here. This actually looks like the gauge, but you will have to pour oil from this spot. This is the oil filter, but we'll not be changing this. So let's see how it goes. So now we are removing the drain bolt. So now we have completed draining the waste oil or the used oil. So I'm going to close the drain bolt and then we'll add our new engine oil. This is where we'll be adding the new engine oil, and this is the gauge indicator which will show us the oil level. As you can see, it's empty now. Let's check it after we add the engine oil. The oil, as you previously saw, the level here was it wasn't visible. So now if you level the bike, you can see that oil level rises. You should actually not fill it to the brim, like it should level out before it reaches the top, and you must add only 1.4 liters of oil to this bike. So now we have completely finished adding the engine oil. So we'll just fit this thing back. So that was all about the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and for more updates, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have some interesting stuff going on. So if you do like the video too much, then make sure that you share the video. Please spread the word about this channel. Until then, peace.